Hello friends. Today we have solved the first 25 problems for dynamic programming, and I will very soon create a 1-month challenge based on all these problems that we have solved. And after this project, I will take a small break before I come up with my next project on Java topics, which is Java serialization. I will try to give the maximum details to be given in this project. And once, as I have explained in my introductory videos, that there are two types of projects that I would be focusing in all this tutorial series. That one will only cover data structures and algorithms, and the other would be Java topics and projects. So after we have completed this today, dynamic programming for 25 plus 1 problems. Now we'll proceed with Java serialization and Google Protobuffs. Once we are done with that, I will again switch back to the remaining dynamic programming problems from 26 to 50 problems, another 25 problems, and so on. So stay tuned for my next videos.